Just a short video to show how to clean the crabs, and here are my crabs, blue crabs and the other crab. So just take this and take this all and open this. Then just this, you can just clean this and use this, boil that, and here it is. Remove all this thing, and we have to wash it, okay, properly, and then chop this into two. You can cut this all like this, and just chop this into two if you want two. And here it is. So easy. One more I'll do, and take the crab, catch here, and just open up this two, and here. Hope you will enjoy cleaning the crabs at home and do it quickly. If like sometimes they are not available to clean this, then it's just simple. Get the crabs, wash them nicely, and just take away all this thing. And some people like to keep this, so you'll keep this, or you can just remove all this, wash this, and just take out in your hand. And you can use for curry. This will give you more taste. And then chop it into two. So I've showed you how to clean the crab. Thank you.